7 things men secretly desire from a woman. Even though each guy has his own distinct attributes, there are some features in women that will leave any man craving her. While women are drawn to romance and affection, men are drawn to personality and open conduct. You need to know what he wants from a relationship and what will make him want you more deeply if you want to know how to make a man fall in love with you. How would it feel to be able to attract any man you want? According to male psychology, here are the top 7 characteristics that can increase a man's attraction to you and convince him to love you forever. Once you've identified these 8 attributes, you may begin working on them to become the sort of woman that every man desires. Make sure to watch the video all the way through to the end to avoid missing any important information. Number 1. Intimacy. Men cherish intimacy. They are without a doubt obsessed with it. You wouldn't blame them for it because it's just part of their biological makeup. They may act as if they are totally cool with the notion if you as a woman tell them you don't want that, but they secretly seek intimacy and wouldn't hesitate to continue with a lady who shares that desire. They want their ladies to be open to engaging in the act of lovemaking with them. Intimacy goes beyond just sex. Intimacy is a much deeper degree of connection. Intimacy is defined as a closeness, companionship, feelings, connecting, and mutual understanding. Genuine feelings of love are part of intimacy. Number 2. Companionship. Another thing guys desire in a relationship is companionship. They may show that you are okay living alone, but if they truly like and adore you, they'd be encouraging you to move in with them. Although some may not say this out of fear of losing your friendship, they want their women to be with them practically all of the time, engaging in meaningful discussion and spend quality time together. Number 3. Playfulness. Every man desires a lively lady. They adore ladies who are physically active and engaged in sports. Some of the characteristics that make a lady beautiful include youthfulness and fun behavior. A man loves to watch his girlfriend being a bit mischievous and fun. The little carefree times you spend together greatly influence your relationship. Number 4. Stability and dependability. Men's need for stability and dependability are also quite important. Any man seeking a genuine relationship searches for a partner who will stand with him through good times and bad. Someone who has his back as much as he has hers. When things go tough, they avoid women who are likely to leave for another man. Definitely not a fickle friend. They want a companion that they can always rely on. Number 5. Adoptability. A guy is attracted to women who are adaptable, especially in relation to his surroundings. Avoid nagging since it has a negative impact on men's moods. Men dislike it when women seek to change their environment or themselves since they can completely ruin a romantic relationship. They would thus love you forever if you could accept them for who they are. Number 6. Need for personal space. Even though a woman will enjoy lifetimes of cuddling, a guy will always need his own space. It is simple how they were created. A man requires me time or buddy time to recharge. So instead of constantly hanging over him and making him feel trapped, give him some space and save him the smothering. Number 7. Taking initiative. Men like the head. Take the initiative. They enjoy being in charge. Even while they enjoy leading, they prefer it when their women take the initiative. They too want to feel liked, desired, and needed. Bring fresh ideas to the table. They may not express it, but they do not always want to be the ones to initiate lovemaking. Surprise your man every now and again as a lady. Take the initiative to bed and show your desire for him. Take the initiative to your house and show him how much you want, need, and appreciate his efforts. So now you know what men secretly want in every relationship. Therefore, you should be highly sensitive to these demands and satisfy your sweetheart's desires. Remember, there's no true love without giving. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.